the matter, Lucky? What's the matter? Come. Lucky, come over here. What's he doing? You're trying to relax and he's making all kinds of noise. What's he think this is? Hmm? I know, it's ridiculous. I know. This is my beautiful Precious. I know. I know. There's no peace. You just want to take a nap. Precious was rescued from a playground by my son. And Precious just kept flying to my son and wouldn't leave him alone and followed him. So my son Jacob brought him home. And so now we couldn't find the owners. We looked and looked and we tried. We did everything. And I guess it was meant to be because now Precious is part of the family. Yeah. And we're learning as we go. But we definitely love you, Precious. We do. Yeah. Birds are a lot of work, but they do give you a lot of love.
And they're very cute also.
Absolutely, they're cute. Okay, Precious is going to sleep, aren't you? I know that, Lucky. Lucky, come on. Maybe Lucky wants me to make a video of him. He might. Yeah. You never know. It's okay. It's okay. I know, Lucky just making a big bunch of noise. He is. He is. He hears something outside. He does. He probably hears the kids playing. Yeah. What are we gonna do? We gotta go figure out what is upsetting him. Thanks for watching, everybody.